Hello students, today the start the new topic coordinate geometry. In this topic, to first some recap, some review of these some important points, and then take it directly exercise now 7.1. Okay, that is what is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, right? This is the distance of x-axis, this is the distance of y-axis. Some points are I already read. The point of intersection is called as origin. Means what? Intersection. Intersection means what? These two lines, x-axis and y-axis intersecting point is known as what? Origin. Right? The horizontal line is called as what? X-axis. What is the x-axis? The horizontal line is known as the x-axis. The vertical line is known as what? Y-axis. The distance of a point from y-axis. The distance of a point from y-axis is called as the x-coordinate or abscissa, or the distance of a point from y-axis is called as its x-coordinate or abscissa. That is known as what? Abscissa, right? The distance of a point from x-axis is called as a y-coordinate. Is called as what? Y-coordinate or ordinate, right? And this is important, that is the most known is the distance formula. The distance PQ between 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 is given by very simple formula. The distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, or x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 minus y2 bracket square. This is the most important formula. Okay, using this formula to solve the exercise 7.1. Okay, and this coordinate geometry, this is what? This is x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is the first coordinate, this is the second coordinate, this is the third coordinate, and this is the fourth coordinate. This is first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and this is the fourth coordinate. First coordinate start from 0 to 90 degree. Second coordinate start from 90 to 180 degree. Third coordinate start from 180 to 270 degree, and fourth coordinate start from 270 to 360 degree. What? 360 degree. In first coordinate, that is the x coordinate and y coordinate are both are positive. In first coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. In second quadrant, in what? Second quadrant, the x coordinate and y coordinate are positive. X coordinate are negative and y coordinate are positive in second quadrant. In third quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate are both are negative. In third quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate both are the negative. And our fourth quadrant, the x coordinate and x coordinate are the positive and y coordinate are the negative. X coordinate in fourth quadrant x coordinate are positive and y coordinate are negative. Student, please note this important in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Please complete this some important formula and some concept this and start from the exercise 7.1. Students, example number 1, exercise 7.1, example number 1, find the distance between the following pairs of points. First example is what? 2, 3, 4, 1. Here 2, 3 are what? X1, Y1. X1, Y1. That is, okay, this is what? X1, Y1. And 4, 1 are what? X2, Y2. X2, Y2. Right? That is, X1, Y1 is what? 2, 3. And X2, Y2 is what? 4, 1. Then, this is solution of first example. Okay? Using a distance formula. Using a distance formula. Which is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, right? This is equal to what? Which is the value of x2? x2 is equal to 4. Right? 4 minus 1 bracket square plus 3 minus 2. Sorry. Value of x2 is what? 4. 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 1 minus 3, right? Y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 3 bracket square, right? Okay, this distance what? Let points is the PQ. Okay, PQ is equal to what? Square root of what? 4 minus 2, that is 2, plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square. The distance PQ is equal to what? Square of 2 is the 4. Square is any time is a positive, that is the 4. That is PQ is equal to what? 8. That is PQ is equal to 4 into 2. That is PQ is equal to 2 root 2. The distance, right? And the distance between following pairs of points. How many distance here? That is PQ is equal to what? 2 root 2 meter or maybe centimeter. Right? Complete the example number 1. Student, I take it the example number 2. Example number 2 is what? Example number 2 is what? Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Right? The coordinates of point P is what? Minus 5, 7. And coordinates of point Q is what? Minus 1, 3. Right? That is P, this is x1, y1, and this is Q, that is x2, y2, right? That is x1 is equal to minus 5, right? y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to how many? Minus 1, y2 is equal to what? 3, y2 is equal to 3, right? Using distance formula, which is the distance formula? That is square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. That is equal to what? Which is the value of x2? x2 is equal to what? Minus 5 minus which is the value of x1? Minus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Which is the value of y2? 3 minus which is the value of y1? That is a 7. 3 minus 7 bracket square, right? This is a minus 5 and this minus plus minus 1 minus that is a plus bracket square plus 3 minus 7 are what? Minus 4 bracket square, right? This is a minus 4 minus 5 plus 1, that is a minus 4 bracket square plus minus 4 bracket square, right? That is square of 4 is what? 16. Square is any time is a positive, plus again square is any time is a positive, that is 16 plus 16, that is 16 plus 16 is a 32, that is 32 is equal to what? 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2. Distance PQ is equal to what? 4 root 2 centimeter or maybe what? Meter, because this is the distance, unit is required, right? Students, solve the question number 2. Next, example number 3, that is coordinates are what? A, B and minus A minus B, right? Minus A minus B. That is coordinate of point P are what? A, B. Coordinates of point Q are minus A minus B, right? That is x1. That is what? P is equal to x1 y1. P is P x1 y1. Q x2 y2, right? That is value of x1 is equal to what? A, and y1 is equal to what? B. Value of x2 is equal to minus A. Value of y2 is equal to minus B. Right? Using a distance formula. Using a distance formula. Right? Which is the distance formula? That is square root of what? x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Right? That is equal to what? x2 minus x1, that is minus a, right? Minus value of x1 is what? A bracket square plus y2 minus b minus y1 is what? Minus b bracket square. This is what? Minus a, this is again minus a, x1 right, minus a bracket square plus this is a again minus b again another term is used, that is minus 2a bracket square plus minus 2b bracket square, right? Square is any time is a positive, that is right. That is square of minus 2a is the what? 4a square plus square of minus 2b is what? 4b square, right? That is 4 is common, that is 4 into a square plus b square. 4 into bracket a square plus b square. That is 2 is common, that is square root of 2 into bracket into square bracket into a square plus b square. That is distance PQ is equal to what? Root 2 into root of a square plus b square meter, right? I solve the question number 3. Student, please solve this question. Next question, find the distance between 2 points, coordinates are 0 0 and q, and second point is what? 36 15. Can you now find the distance between two, this is point, distance between 2 points, okay? That is coordinates of point P is what? P is 0, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. Coordinate of y points are what? 36, 15. 36, 15. This is what? This is the x1, y1, and this is what? x2, y2, right? Therefore, x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 36, y2 is equal to what? 15, right? By using a distance formula, which is the distance formula? That is the square root of what? x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to, which is value of x2, that is the 36, minus value of x1 is what? 0, plus value of y2 is what? 15 minus 0 bracket square, right? Distance PQ is equal to 36 minus 0, that is the 36, plus 15 minus 0, that is the 15 square, that is PQ is equal to square of 36 is what? 36 into 36. 36 is what? 35 is 36 into 5 is 180. 180 plus 36. Right? Okay. I check again. Right. This is 6. This is 1. 216. 216. This is again 21 are remaining. 36 are what? 36 into 3, 81, 10, plus this is what? Plus how many? 21. That is 9 to 1. 1, right? That is 1 to 9. Right? Check again, student. This 1296 plus that is 225, that is PQ is equal to how many? 6 5 are what? 11, 1, 3, 3 and 9 are 12, 1, 3, 5. PQ is equal to how many? That is 1521, right? This is divided by 3, that is 3 into, again simple factorization. Student, using that is a root of 1521 is equal to 39. That is distance PQ is equal to 39. That is distance PQ is equal to how many? That is 39 meter. 39 meter. Student, solve this question. Next example, determine if the points 1 5 2 3 and -2 -11 are collinear. Collinear means what? All 3 points in given example, 3 points are given, right? If these 3 points are in a same straight line, then these 3 points are what? Collinear. What? Collinear. Again what? The largest distance between these three, right, is equal to the sum of two distances. आपल्याला 3 पॉइंट मिळालेले आहेत A B C, right? Coordinates of A points is what? 1 5, right? Coordinates of B point is what? 2, 3. Coordinates of C point is what? Minus 2, minus 3, right? Then we'll get the three distances AB, BC and AC. First distance we will get AB, second BC and third one is AC. The largest distance is the sum of two other distances are equal. The largest distance is equal to sum of other two distances. Then these 3 points are the collinear. Otherwise, the 3 points are not collinear. Okay, and check it. Then that is AB. आता इथं काय x1 y1 मांडायची गरज नाही आहे. डायरेक्ट I write the distance AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? This is the x1 y1. This is the x2 y2. That is x1 y1 x2. That is x2 minus x1. That is 2 minus 1 bracket square plus 3 minus 5 bracket square. Right? That is distance AB is equal to how many? This is 2 minus 1. That is 1 square plus 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 square. That is distance AB is equal to how many? 1 square is 1. This is the 4. That distance AB is equal to what? Root 5. Equation, I give you to the equation number 1. Okay. Again, second, that is distance is BC. Using again, in this here, this is the x1 y1 and this is the x2 y2, right? I am using a direct formula, minus 2 minus 2 bracket square plus minus 11 minus 3 bracket square, right? BC is equal to what? This is minus 2, this is the minus 4 bracket square plus minus 11 minus 3, that is the minus 14 bracket square. BC is equal to, that is minus 4 bracket square is the 16 plus square of 14 is what? 14 वर्ग 198, right? BC is equal to, this is 14 1 10 11 214. BC is equal to what? Root of 217 214. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Again find the distance of AC. AC is equal to what? Minus 2 minus 1 bracket square plus minus 11 minus 5 bracket square. Distance AC is equal to what? Minus 2. This is the minus 3 bracket square plus this is the minus 16 bracket square, right? That is distance AC is equal to how many? Square of AC anytime is positive, that is a 9 plus square of 16 is equal to what? How many? That is square of 16 is equal to 256. That is AC is equal to how many? That is 265, right? AC is equal to 265. In this here, the largest distance is what? AC, that is a 2 root of 265. Then AC is equal to what? AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Check it. AC is AB is how many? Root 5 plus BC is equal to how many? 240, right? Then AC is equal to this is what? 219, right? 219. And this is what? This is not exactly equal to AC. This is not exactly equal to what? AC. Because which is the condition of correlate? 3 points are correlate when the largest distance is the sum of two distances. The largest distance is the sum of other two distances. And this condition, the largest distance is not equal to other sum of two other distances. Therefore, the points 1, 5 2 3 and minus to 11 are not collinear. Okay, students, solve this example. ह्या टॉपिक मध्ये बरेच असे कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स मीन्स व्हॉट, आयसोस्केल ट्रायंगल, त्याच्यानंतर रेक्टँगल, रॉम्बस, या सगळ्या त्रिकोण असेल किंवा आयत असेल, चौरस असेल, चौरसाचे गुणधर्म आणि वर्तुळाचे गुणधर्म, राईट. तसे त्रिकोण वर्तुळ येणार नाही, बट ट्रायंगल त्रिकोणाचे गुणधर्म आणि चौकोनाचे गुणधर्म आहे, या दोघांच्या गुणधर्माचे एक्झाम्पल रिलेटेड असणार आहे. जसं एक्झाम्पल कंटिन्यू होत जातील तसे त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला स्टडी करायला मिळतील. स्टुडंट, प्लीज कम्प्लीट दिस एक्झाम्पल.